babies, how you doing? It's me Janamber and welcome back to my beauty channel. Guys, today I have video. I want to show you guys how I do derma rolling for my scalp to promote hair growth. Yes, there have been studies done, blind studies done, that derma rolling can produce actually hair growth. This is really good if you're losing hair, if you're becoming bald, and if you know that in your family maybe you have a gene's father or grandfather that are bald. So this is good chance actually prevent the hair loss. And this video is part number 2. If you didn't see part number 1, I'm gonna link down below. You can go and check it out. Let's jump into this video. I'm so excited, guys, to show you how I do derma rolling for my scalp. And my hair is natural length. I don't have perfect hair. I'm bleaching, curling, ironing, straightening, using hot tools. I have to do because I'm filming YouTube videos. This is really bad, but I do my best to take care of my hair. And I think for a blonde woman, I have pretty long, natural, okay hair. I am happy with my hair, you know. I'm starting right away with taking out my hair clip, and basically what I'm doing in the beginning, what I started doing actually, I have here a hair scalp brush. This is amazing. It kind of stimulates blood flow in your scalp before you start doing dermaroller. I believe this will help increase hair growth. So guys, I'm just taking like basically and like rubbing everywhere my scalp. Yes, you should have oily hair, because if you don't want to get tangled, and much better to work on the oily hair. You don't want to pull your hair. I had one customer say to me that, hey Jen, I got my dermaroller tangled in the hair, and I say, did you have a oily hair? And she's like, no, I just washed my hair and then I did it after I blow dry my hair. I say, no, I mean, this is much better when you have oily hair. Kind of sounds, maybe it's not like hygienic, but the hair scalp is not attempt to break out usually. I don't know, I've been rolling for like 1.5 years my scalp, and I never had any breakouts in my hair, and I never had a customers that they dermaroll the scalp and they had some breakout or some issues by dermarolling oily hair scalp. But you have to disinfect your roller, disinfect with the isopropyl alcohol. Welcome to my oily hair world, guys. How long I do this? I do like for a minute before starting dermarolling. So next step, I have a comb. Basically I split my hair in half. I know this technique now is going to be a little bit different. In first video I had different technique. Now maybe you don't like the technique, so I'm going to show you another technique. I think this technique is a little bit better, but it might take longer. So guys, I'm taking dermaroller. Today I have 1 millimeter dermaroller. If you want to see results, you slightly always have to increase needle length. If you've been using 0.5, you can jump 0.75. I don't have with me today 0.75 because everything in my warehouse. Basically, before I was saying that you put your hair down, now I'm saying you have to split your hair. I mean, you don't have to, I'm just showing how I do. You guys find the right technique for yourself. Basically, splitting my hair in half on the top of my head. I'm starting from the top right here. And you know guys, 1 millimeter is not that bad. People sometimes asking me like specifically seconds and times how much I roll. It kind of, you feel it until your skin start to be like kind of uncomfortable or start to feel like itchy, like when you cannot handle this balance, you know, you have to feel it, that balance where it's kind of you can handle and where it's painful. So you don't go to the painful, you go to this level where you can handle. So I don't know how long it takes. Like I do like basically like maybe 6-7 rolls like this, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. After 8 it was already painful to me, so I'm trying to do next 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Yeah, 7 is fine. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. I feel a little bit pulling, so you can do it slower. Bigger needle does have a chance to pull it. And 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. And they're trying one more. I don't know if I can, but I'm trying. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, now my next step, I'm taking and splitting my hair. So basically you do the rest of your head, guys. I'm gonna speed up this video now, and you do the same thing. When you put the hair on the side, this kind of becomes a little bit higher, so you want to hold with your hand like as much as possible down like this. this side too. And okay, how I do with the back, actually with the back is very complicated. I have a mirror, for example, where is my mirror? I don't even know, but imagine this is a mirror and you watching in the bathroom, in the front of the bathroom wall mirror. So basically you have to have a mirror. So you take a mirror, divide your hair however you want. For example, I'm going to do, and then this is my camera, is my wall mirror. So I'm turning and I have a mirror and I see actually where and how to do it. Now I don't have a mirror in the front, but I'm gonna try just to show you guys by touching my scalp. I know it's gonna be complicated, but
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
Trying to brush with this brush, so mask is gonna be applied everywhere evenly on the hair. I have a shower cap. I am applying shower cap. This is kind of funny looking cap. Oh my god, with this cap I'm gonna look so funny. So guys, okay, now guys, I'm gonna leave this shower cap for an hour to really absorb the moisture from the mask from aloe vera plant. And after, I'm going to wash my hair with this same brand, Purador. This video is not sponsored, I just love this brand. I buy this from Amazon. This is Purador anti hair loss shampoo, 100% natural, organic, natural, beautiful ingredients, no sulfates, no parabens, gluten-free, no harmful chemicals for men and women. So men and women can use this hair shampoo. Love it. So after I keep for an hour or two, I wash with this shampoo, like really deep into the scalp massaging. I do not apply anything like any mask on the after that, and basically I'm just washing my roots. I don't wash the rest of the hair because there is, when you wash your hair, the shampoo when goes down through your hair, it actually washes your hair of the rest of the hair. This my hairstylist told me long time ago that you don't have to wash with shampoo the rest of your hair. Like some people, they're rubbing. This actually dries your hair. So try to kind of wash shampoo only here and mask apply on the rest of the hair. Mask you can apply on the roots too, and on the rest of the hair, shampoo is only for the roots. See you in 2 hours. Blah, blah, blah. So guys, I'm back after 2 hours actually, after I wash my hair with the shampoo. So this is how I look like after, guys. My hair, whoa, look at my hair. What I wanted to say, guys, this treatment not gonna help if you're going to do just one time. You have to do multiple times. I think you're gonna start seeing results like after 3, 4, 6 months for sure. Like after a year, you're gonna see real results. I started seeing baby hair, I remember, like after a half year, depends on the hair. Some people start noticing results earlier, some people needs more time. This is completely normal. I've been asked one question really often, if person should use the same dermaroller for the hair, scalp, and for the face. I do recommend, if you guys can afford, have different rollers, especially if you have sensitive, if you have oily skin, kind of irritated skin, if your skin like really tough and there is never a problem with your skin, which rarely happens, then you can use the same roller. Just make sure you disinfect with alcohol really well. You can buy new toothbrush, disinfect the toothbrush with the alcohol, and you can brush it like gentle between the needles if you want to use the same dermaroller face and for the scalp. So now guys, I'm gonna do giveaway. I'm gonna give away to you guys one dermaroller for hair treatment. Which size you're gonna want, I don't know. If you already have 0.5, I can give it to you 1 millimeter or 0.75. Me, I'm tough with dermarollers, that's why I use 1 millimeter, but maybe for the first time it's too much. Start with 0.5. If you have thin hair, like really thin hair, few hair, just definitely start with 0.5. If you have like thick hair, start with 0.75 or 1, because like darker hair, usually they are more thicker and more like kind of, you know, you need to feel the really needles going into the scalp. So I don't know if I want to tell you something, guys. This is how my hair looks like. I don't have any extensions, nothing. This is my natural hair length. I really try to take care of my hair as much as possible. Try to not wash every single day. I try to wash just twice a week, if it's possible once a week. Try when I don't film, I never curl, I never blow dry with the dryer, I never use hot tools, which is really bad for the hair. So my actually hairstylist say last time, Jin, what are you doing? Why you have so many baby hair? I'm like, I'm using my dermaroller, and she's like, give it to me, I want to try, I really want to try. And she took dermaroller. I didn't ask yet what she felt like if she started dermarolling, no, but she's like, give it to me. All right, so I don't know, my hair, I mean, I don't know guys if camera are going to pick something, but my hair, it's okay. I'm happy with my hair and my hair length, you know, like this. Come on, it's not bad. I'm not perfect. I don't have perfect skin. I really don't have perfect skin. Sometimes I have breakouts. Sometimes I have like, sometimes I forget to sleep, you know, on the back. I sleep on the side. In the morning I wake up, like this morning was here kind of, you know, fine line from the sleeping on the pillow, which is really not good to sleeping on the side. But guys, if you don't have perfect hair, if you don't have perfect skin, there is nobody perfect in the world. Whatever you see on social media is photoshopped, is people uploading only highlights of their life. Everybody have a fight, everybody have a problems, nobody's perfect. This is something just maybe you're gonna feel better about yourself by doing dermaroller on the scalp if you really have thin hair. If you don't have thin hair, prevention of the hair loss in the future, it's really good if you, especially if you're a man and you know that you have in your family some genes that somebody got bald or something. It's not too early to start taking care of your scalp, even if you're 20, you know, if your dad is bald by the age of 50 or 40, I think you have a pretty high chances that you're gonna have baldness too. So even prevention, starting taking care before you're getting bald, before you're starting losing hair, it's good too. So yeah guys, that's it for today. I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching. About giveaway, all the rules gonna be down below in the description box. I send you a lot of positive, a lot of love, and many hugs from me. Kisses to you wherever you are in the world. Thank you and bye. Namaste. Hey Amber, again. Yeah, I know they're still drilling. It's been 5 hours already.